Now, what we have seen is vehicle coming close to the charger. Is there also any movement on portable chargers where the charger is going to the vehicle? And soon we may need because if the car gets stuck in the middle of the road, then how does it come? Right. So, any thoughts on that?
Yeah, that business model is also evolving. Lots of EV OEMs now they are providing roadside assistance. Suppose any EVs got stuck up or out of charge. So some two, three people are working on that. Two, three companies, not people, companies are working. But the challenge remains the same. How much big battery because it's a portable. So every time it should be connected with a battery. So upfront cost and daily requirement right now, these vehicles are means mostly the personal vehicles are there. So numbers are very less. But yeah, this is also going to evolve as a business model. Uh, Let me give you an idea. EV charging itself is having a lots of business model going to evolve. First thing is that you can be a OEM for the hardware. That is one part. You can be a installer. So that is a second business model. You can be a software provider means software for aggregation or the backend, whatever monitoring system. You can be a chart point operator, completing these as a ecosystem. The question you asked emergency support. So that is the beauty of EV charging infrastructure. In this umbrella, we have almost 7, 8 different verticals. But with time, this is going to evolve, and lots of new business model is going to come. Everybody have a chance to get those uh, kind of business to adopt depending on their company's vision and all those things. But yeah, specific to your question, two, three roadside assistance companies working on that, and some R&D is going on because these solutions need to be efficient. Like they go and get charge only one vehicle, so that is not going to make a sense. How many portable charging station because these are going to mount on vehicle. So safety is also a critical parameter because it's a movable. So how we are going to ensure that EVs or charging station are safe. So some R&D is going on. Some people are working, and that is going to get. That is also a good business model, but not right now because numbers are very less. Yeah.
Okay.